Welcome! In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up and take down the Oryx tent. Let's get started. The Oryx comes in a spacious carry bag, including poles and pegs. The tent is a single unit. The canvas is attached to the ground sheet, made from durable poly cotton. Unroll the tent. Unfold the 4 poles, one for each corner. Slide the first 3 poles into the sleeves. Open the tent fully so you can insert the 4th pole. Tie the 4 poles firmly together at the top where they cross. Lift the tent upright and push the poles outward until stable. Secure each pole into the stopper at the base to keep everything in place. Use large pegs to anchor the 4 corners of the ground sheet. Make sure it lies flat and tight to the ground. Add 4 extra pegs through the eyelets in the ground sheet. The Oryx has 4 roof vents for extra airflow. There are 2 doors, both with mesh, for ventilation and easy access. The Oryx measures 2.2 by 2.2 meters and is 1.9 meters tall. You can stand up comfortably, ideal for 1 or 2 people. Time to pack down. Start by removing all the pegs. Fold the tent and lay it flat. Untie the knot at the top of the poles. Slide all 4 poles out of the sleeves. Lay out the tent and fold it neatly. Tip: use the carry bag to check the right width. Roll the tent tightly toward the bag and place it inside. Your Oryx is now neatly packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!